Good morning, students. Chapter 14, The Nationalist Movement, 1872-1947. In the previous part, we learnt about moderates, their demands, and some prominent leaders. So today we are going to start from. During that period, plague and famine killed thousands of Indians. The economic conditions were miserable, means just because of shortage of food and disease like plague, many people were killed. So due to these reasons, the economic conditions were very miserable. Young Indians, disgusted by the British callousness, were inspired by the common people of Ethiopia, Japan and Russia who rose against the oppressors. जो यंग पीपल थे या यूथ था इंडियंस का, वो ब्रिटिश के बिहेवियर और यू कैन से सेल्फनेसनेस से बहुत ज़्यादा यू कैन से इग्नोर्ड थे. मतलब ब्रिटिश पीपल वर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग फॉर youth, especially Indian youth. But that Indian youth were inspired by Ethiopian, Japanese people and Russian people, common people, because they raised their voice against oppressors. Oppressors means जो उनका exploitation किया करते थे. अरविंद घोष, लाला लाजपत राय, बाल गंगाधर तिलक and बिपिन चंद्र पाल emerged as a new leaders and were known as radicals. जैसे हमने moderates में पढ़ा कि these people were moderates, वैसे ही ये लाला लाजपत राय, गंगाधर तिलक and बिपिन चंद्र पाल known as radicals. Radicals because their views were very different from each other. Moderates were believe in ideas and they believe in action. They didn't believe in appeals. Appeals होता है प्रार्थना करना, रिक्वेस्ट करना, ठीक है. So they believed in actions, protest, हड़ताल and slogans. इनका मानना था कि हमें कोई भी काम करना हो तो वो हम प्रोटेस्ट करके करेंगे, हड़ताल करेंगे, स्लोगन्स लगाएंगे. दे प्रोपोगेटेड इंडियन कल्चर्स एंड हिंदुइज़म, और उन्होंने हिंदुइज़म को प्रोपोगेटेड किया. सो साथ में जो ये डू यू नो है, यू हैव टू रीड केयरफुली बिकॉज सम MCQ कम्स फ्रॉम these parts also. Okay, like this like a 3 P's. What is the meaning of 3 P's? Prayer, petition and protest. And who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. In which year? 1886. Means if you someone will in the exams they will ask when was the first time Vande Mataram was sung, so you should know in 1886. So partition of Bengal. In order to national movement, the British attacked the Hindu-Muslim unity. Lord Curzon issued an order in July 1905 to partition Bengal. So जो national movement पे जो अटैक था वो लॉर्ड कर्जन के एक इशूड ऑर्डर को जो जुलाई 1905 में किया था. That was partition of Bengal. That partition gives create conflicts between Hindu and Muslim, and Britishers were thinking if they will break this unity, so maybe it's good for them, and they showed the reason is through the official reason given by Britishers. अब उन्होंने क्या रीज़न दिया was that it was difficult to govern and collect revenue from such a big province. Province मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि state. So उन्होंने रीज़न दिया कि it's difficult to collect revenue यानी tax from such a big state. So that's why they want to divide in 2 parts. Okay, but people of Bengal, they were not happy with this decision. But people know that the Britishers wanted to divide the Indians and rule. So means यहाँ कह सकते हो divide the Indians, rule, divide and rule. यानी कि यहाँ पे एक की भी आता है In which year Britishers applied this divide and rule? In 1905, when the partition of Bengal was happened. So therefore there were protests against द पार्टीशन. तो अब इसके बाद क्या हुआ? पार्टीशन के बाद लोगों ने प्रोटेस्ट करना शुरू कर दिया. द डे वॉज ऑब्जर्व्ड एज द डे ऑफ मॉर्निंग, यानी कि मॉर्निंग होता है शोक मनाया उस दिन को जिस दिन ये डिक्लेयर किया गया. द स्वदेशी ऑफ वंस ओन कंट्री, बायकॉट एंड नेशनल एजुकेशन वर अडॉप्टेड एज टूल फॉर अचीविंग स्वराज बाय द रेडिकल्स. अब हुआ क्या कि उन्होंने जो बायकॉट किया फॉरेन गुड्स को, थिंग्स को, ठीक है, और जो नेशनल एजुकेशन, जो उनका अपना एजुकेशन सिस्टम था, उसको अडॉप्ट करना कर रहे थे, ठीक है. एंड दे अडॉप्ट स्वदेशी थिंग्स. सो इंडियंस boycotted foreign goods and used only Indian goods. स्वराज, अब यहाँ आपको ये थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट सा मिलता है कि who gave this slogan? स्वराज is my birthright and I shall have it. Who said? Tilak said. The slogan of Tilak gave impetus to the attainment of स्वराज, meaning self rule. ठीक है, स्वराज का मतलब मीन्स एक किस्म से ये शुरुआत हो गई थी, लाइक a kind of a indication for the freedom. People, they want freedom from these British people. Students played an important role in these movements by boycotting classes and picketing shops, selling foreign goods. An important role in these movements. Many women also joined procession by पिकेटिंग. पिकेटिंग होता है धरना देना, मतलब बहुत सी लेडीज़ ने भी इसको ज्वाइन किया और उन्होंने क्लासेस को बायकॉट किया स्टूडेंट्स ने. सो कहने का मतलब है कि ऑल वर्क टुगेदर इन दिस प्रोटेस्ट. जो ब्रिटिशर्स ने उस टाइम पे पार्टीशन किया था उसके अगेंस्ट इंडियंस ने जो प्रोटेस्ट किया उसमें सभी ने सपोर्ट किया, स्टूडेंट्स ने, वीमेंस ने. Okay, so they boycott foreign goods and things and they adopt Swadeshi things. Okay, and during that time period Tilak gave one slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. मैं इसे लेके रहूँगा. Got it? So that's all for today, and tomorrow we will not tomorrow, in the next video we will do it the next part. Thank you.